Harmony 1 continues to hold above a significant key area of support above the 0.02166, and at the time of this recording we are seeing a bit of a pullback after we saw an aggressive pump in a move that has now given us a record high above the 0.03968 in a move that has also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And on this video I will be discussing what I'm expecting on the Harmony 1 chart on the long term and also on the short term, and zooming out here on the 4-hour chart to first discuss my short-term price action that I'm expecting. You can easily see that we saw our bear market low below the 0.00856, and after seeing the bear market low we saw an aggressive move to the upper side in a move that gave us a high above the 0.02314 in a move that I'm terming as the formation of that Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we fully maximized and saw a reaction to that and started another aggressive move to the upper side in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.037, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, giving us a record high above the 0.03968, and there are high chances that in the formation, in that movement to the upper side, we have also topped in the formation of these Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side, and the pullback that we are seeing at the moment could be the start of a breakdown move in the formation of these Elliott wave count 4. And the minimum target areas for the fourth wave can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the 0.02632 and the 0.02316, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the chart. So in the next coming hours, in case we see another breakdown move in the formation of this Elliott wave count 4, this is the breakdown target area that we need to have in mind, and we also need to watch out for, because in case of that breakdown move and we see a dip off into this target area and we continue holding within the area, see much of a consolidation, then I will be expecting another aggressive pump to the upper side in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 5, which is what we expect after seeing a breakdown move in the formation of this Elliott wave count 4. And the minimum target areas for the wave 5 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliott wave count 5 above the fib level 0.618, and that is above the 0.049. And that means that in the next coming hours, once we have a low in place in the formation of that wave 4, we can easily see another massive push to the upper side in a move that can easily get us above the 0.049 and possibly back above the 0.05. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the short term, here on the Harmony 1 chart. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price analysis, basing my analysis still on the Elliott wave structures. Here on the daily chart, you can easily see that back in 2020, we saw these significant lows before we saw an aggressive pump giving us all-time highs above the 0.38 in a move that I'm terming as the formation of that Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a bear market where we had been seeing our prices in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. And in the formation of this wave 2, we have also seen much of a 1-year consolidation within this range that I have down here. And the moment we see a break out of this consolidation range, then that will be the start of another aggressive pump in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3, whose minimum target areas I have at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.61746, and that means that in the formation of that wave 3 we should see harmony 1 take us back to all-time highs and give us new all-time highs above the $0.67 mark. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the harmony 1 chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.